Almost 80% of Japanese car owners know something the average driver doesn't. And it's not some expensive product or fancy equipment. It's a set of simple, disciplined habits that keep their cars looking brand new for decades. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on 15 Japanese cleaning secrets that professional detailers would rather you never find out. Because once you know these, you stop paying them. Let's get into it. Secret 15. The two-bucket method. Your whole life, you've been washing your car with one bucket. You dip your mitt, scrub a panel, dip it back in, and go again. Here's the problem. That bucket is now full of the dirt you just pulled off your car. Every time you dip that mitt back in, you're picking up grit and dragging it right across your paint. Here's what professional detailers actually do, but never explain. Use two buckets. One with your soapy wash solution, one with clean rinse water. After scrubbing a panel, rinse the mitt in the clean bucket first, then go back into the soap. Every stroke on your paint is clean. No recycled grit, no contamination. Those swirl marks destroying your finish? They're almost never from bad technique. They're almost always from one bucket washing. And detailers love swirl marks because fixing them means polishing sessions at $150 to $300 a pop. One more thing. Drop a grit guard insert at the bottom of each bucket. It costs about $5 and traps the debris that falls off your mitt so it can't get picked back up. Japanese detailing culture calls this the discipline of clean tools. Your paint will last decades longer because of a second bucket. Secret 14. Clean your windshield with newspaper. You spray, you wipe, and in direct sunlight, it looks worse than before you started. The detailer recommends a professional glass treatment for $50 to $80, but the solution is sitting in your recycling bin right now. Grab old newspaper, crumple it loosely, spray your glass cleaner directly on the windshield, and wipe in circular motions. Then buff dry with a fresh sheet. The result is crystal clear glass with zero streaks. Paper towels and microfiber cloths simply can't match it. Why does it work? The ink-treated paper has a slight microscopic abrasiveness that acts like a mild polishing compound. It lifts film residue without scratching the glass, and it leaves zero lint or fibers behind. That hazy film on your windshield, by the way, is not just dirt. It's off-gassing from your dashboard plastics baking in the sun, mixed with road grime and cleaner residue. Newspaper cuts through all of it in one pass. Detailers won't tell you this because a free solution from your recycling bin eliminates an entire service from their menu. Secret 13. Coca-Cola on rust. You spot rust forming on your bumper or wheel wells. The body shop quotes you $150 to $400 for rust treatment. You're already mentally spending money you didn't plan on. Here's what to do instead. Pour regular Coca-Cola directly onto the rusted area. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Scrub with an old toothbrush or steel wool. Rinse thoroughly with clean water and dry immediately. The rust breaks down and lifts away, leaving the metal underneath dramatically cleaner. Here's the science. Coca-Cola contains phosphoric acid, the exact same active ingredient in commercial rust removers and navel jelly products at auto parts stores, which sell for $12 to $20 a bottle. You're getting the same chemistry for pennies. After the rust is removed, immediately apply touch-up paint or clear coat to seal the exposed metal before it reoxidizes. You've just completed step 1 of professional rust repair for the cost of a soda. Body shops count on rust panic. A can of Coke proves that early-stage rust is a 5-minute problem, not a $300 one. Secret 12. The 3-zone method. You're jumping from the front seat to the back, to the trunk, and back again. Nothing feels fully clean, and you keep wasting time going over sections you've already done. Here's the system professional detailers follow but never share. Break your interior into exactly 3 zones and work them in strict order. Zone 1, the trunk. Clear it out, vacuum it, wipe it down completely. Zone 2, back seats. Vacuum, wipe all surfaces, clean the windows back there. Zone 3, front seats and dashboard. You work rear to front so that dust and debris fall forward into zones you haven't cleaned yet. Most people do it backwards. Clean the front, then shake loose debris from the back into it, and redo work they've already finished. This method cuts your interior cleaning time in half. Detailers charge $80 to $150 for interior details. Their edge is organization, not products. Now you have the exact same system. Secret 11. Baking soda carpet. Scrub. Your car's carpet smells stale. You've tried spray cleaners, dish soap, everything. The smell always comes back within days. The detailer recommends a full interior shampoo for $100 to $200. Here's what actually works. Sprinkle baking soda generously across all your carpet surfaces. Work it in gently with a brush. Leave it for at least 30 minutes, or overnight if the odor is serious. Then vacuum it up completely. For stains, make a paste of baking soda and a little water. Apply directly to the stain, let it dry fully, then vacuum the residue. Carpet odors aren't sitting on the surface. They're locked into the fibers from moisture, food, and everyday use. Baking soda is an alkaline compound that neutralizes acidic odor molecules at a chemical level rather than masking them with fragrance like commercial sprays do. A $1 box handles your entire car interior multiple times over. Detailers would rather sell you a $150 shampoo service every few months than point you to the solution sitting in your pantry. Secret 10. The 90-second daily wipe. Your interior gets progressively dirtier between washes because you let grime accumulate for weeks before dealing with it. By the time you clean it, it takes real effort. Here's the Japanese discipline secret that keeps luxury cars looking showroom new. Keep a pack of microfiber cloths in your glove box. Every day when you exit your car, take 90 seconds and wipe down your dashboard, center console, and steering wheel. Dry cloth, no products. Done. Here's why it works. Dust bonds to surfaces progressively. Fresh dust wipes off in seconds. Dust that's been baking in heat for 2 weeks has partially fused to the surface and requires product and real effort to remove. Daily wiping catches it before that bonding happens. This is the principle behind Japanese cleaning culture called kaizen, continuous small improvements over dramatic occasional efforts. Detailers profit from neglect. A 90-second daily habit eliminates their entire business model from your life. Secret 9. The leather conditioning trick. Your leather seats are cracking, fading, and developing that stiff, dried-out look. You've been spraying leather cleaner on them and calling it done. That's only half the job. There's a critical difference between cleaning and conditioning. Cleaning removes dirt from the surface. Conditioning replaces the oils inside the leather that heat and time strip away. You need to do both in that order. Wipe your seats down with leather cleaner and a soft cloth. Once dry, apply a leather conditioner and work it in with circular motions. Buff off the excess. Do this every 3 months. Leather cracks because it dries out, not because it gets dirty. Every crack forming in your leather right now is the result of skipping the conditioning step. By the time cracks appear, the damage is done and requires expensive restoration. A $10 bottle of leather conditioner used quarterly costs you $40 a year and keeps your leather looking new indefinitely. Professional leather restoration costs $150 to $300 and becomes necessary every few years when conditioning gets skipped. Detailers prefer the repair revenue over the prevention advice. Secret 8. Dish soap for wheels. Your wheels are caked with black brake dust and road tar that regular car wash soap can't touch. Specialty wheel cleaners cost $12 to $20 per bottle. Detailers charge $30 to $50 per visit just for wheel cleaning as an add-on. The solution is next to your kitchen sink. Grab regular dish soap like Dawn. Mix it with warm water in a bucket. Apply it to your wheels with a stiff brush and scrub the spokes, the barrel, and the tire sidewalls. Rinse completely and dry immediately to prevent water spots. Brake dust is metallic particles bonded with heat and road film. The degreasing agents in dish soap break down bonded residue the same way they cut through grease on your pots and pans. Specialty wheel cleaners use similar chemistry at a higher price point and lower volume. Here's the bonus step detailers skip telling you. After your wheels are clean and dry, apply a thin coat of car wax to the wheel faces. It creates a barrier that prevents brake dust from bonding as aggressively, making your next cleaning take half the effort. Easier to clean wheels mean fewer service visits, which is exactly why they don't mention it. Secret 7. The lint roller trick. You've vacuumed your seats and floor mats, but pet hair, fine lint, and embedded particles are still everywhere. Your interior still looks dirty even after cleaning. After vacuuming, run a sticky lint roller across all your fabric surfaces. Seats, floor mats, headliner, door panels. The adhesive grabs what vacuum suction passes right over. Here's why. Vacuum suction lifts debris vertically. Anything anchored sideways into fabric fibers gets bypassed completely. The mechanical adhesive pull of a lint roller works perpendicular to the fibers, extracting exactly what the vacuum leaves behind. They work as a system, not as alternatives. Keep Keep a travel-sized lint roller in your center console. A 30-second pass across your seats every few days prevents the buildup that turns into a major cleaning project. A $5 lint roller eliminates the pet hair removal add-on detailers charge $25 to $50 for on every single visit. Secret 6. UV Protectant application. Your dashboard is cracking. Your interior trim is fading. Your exterior trim has gone from glossy black to a chalky, dried-out gray. Detailers want to sell you interior restoration and exterior trim coating services. Here's the one product and 3 minutes that prevents all of it from happening. Every 2 to 4 weeks, apply a UV Protectant spray to your dashboard, door panels, and exterior trim. Spray onto a cloth, wipe across the surfaces evenly, and buff off the excess. 3 minutes, done. UV Protectant creates an invisible barrier that blocks the ultraviolet radiation, responsible for fading, cracking, and chalking of every plastic and vinyl surface on your vehicle. Plastic degradation from UV exposure is cumulative and irreversible. Once the surface has cracked or faded significantly, restoration is your only option. Prevention applied before the damage occurs stops it entirely. Detailers profit from restoration services that wouldn't be necessary if customers had applied a $10 product on a regular basis. UV Protectant on exterior trim also repels water, dirt, and road film, making your car easier to wash every single time. One product, 3 minutes every few weeks, saves your interior, your trim, and your money. The Japanese approach to car care is always prevention over correction. This is that principle in one bottle. Secret 5. Ceramic coat your interior. You've heard of ceramic coating for exterior paint. Here's what almost nobody tells you. Ceramic coating works on interior surfaces too, and it transforms how your car cleans for years at a time. Detailers charge $200 to $500 to apply it, but ceramic interior coating products are available at auto parts stores for $20 to $40. Clean your dashboard, door panels, and center console thoroughly first. Apply the ceramic coating to a microfiber applicator pad, work it across each surface in overlapping strokes, and allow it to cure. Ceramic coating bonds to interior surfaces at a molecular level, creating a hydrophobic barrier that makes spills bead and wipe off instantly rather than soaking in and staining. It also dramatically reduces dust adhesion, so surfaces stay cleaner between wipes. A properly applied interior ceramic coat lasts 1 to 3 years. Over that time, your interior cleans in seconds with a dry cloth because nothing can bond to the coated surface. One $30 product eliminates years of interior detailing expenses. Detailers would rather clean your interior every few months than ever mention a product that makes their service unnecessary. Secret 4. Apply wax with your bare hands. You've been using foam pads, electric polishers, and microfiber cloths. You get uneven coverage and the wax never seems to bond the way it should. Professional detailers charge $80 to $200 for hand wax application. Here's the Japanese technique hiding in plain sight. Apply carnauba wax directly with your bare hands. Work a small amount between your palms to warm it, then spread it across your paint panels in circular motions. Your body heat activates the carnauba and promotes even, thin coverage that bonds directly to your paint surface. Buff off with a clean microfiber cloth in the usual way. Carnauba wax is activated by heat and pressure. Your hands provide both simultaneously. Foam pads apply wax cold and unevenly, leading to thick spots that sit on the surface rather than bonding into the clear coat. Japanese hand polish traditions have used bare hand application for generations because it produces a depth of shine that mechanical application cannot replicate. Bare hand waxing also prevents over-application naturally. Your palms can feel the surface tension and resistance that tells you when coverage is right. You use less product, achieve better results, and the wax lasts longer. Detailers don't share this because educated customers who wax their own cars stop paying for professional waxing services. Secret 3. The steam cleaner trick? Spray cleaners sit on top of surfaces and get wiped off, leaving deep contamination behind. The detailer offers a full steam detail for $150 to $250. Here's what they're charging you for and how to own it permanently. Buy a handheld steam cleaner from any home goods store for $30 to $60. Direct the steam nozzle into your air vents, seat seams, cup holders, and every crevice in your car. Pressurized steam at high temperature dissolves grease, kills bacteria, and blasts out debris that no spray product or cloth can reach. Wipe the loosened grime away with a cloth immediately after steaming. Steam cleaning is the most thorough interior cleaning method available. It uses zero chemicals, reaches every surface geometry regardless of shape, and sanitizes while it cleans. It's what detailers use on high-end vehicles because it genuinely works better than any product-based approach. That handheld steam cleaner pays for itself in one session compared to professional steam detailing prices. Use it quarterly across your full interior, and your car will be cleaner and more sanitary than vehicles receiving monthly professional details. A $50 tool eliminates a $200 service permanently. Secret 2. Light-colored towels only. You've been grabbing whatever old rags or towels are available. Dark towels, patterned towels, old t-shirts, and your paint is developing fine scratches and swirl marks that seem to appear from nowhere. Use only light-colored microfiber towels for every surface of your car. White or light gray only. Here's the critical reason why. Light-colored towels show contamination instantly. The moment a towel picks up dirt, grit, or debris, you can see it. You know to flip it, swap it out, or set it aside before dragging that contamination across your paint. Dark towels hide contamination completely. You keep using a towel that's already carrying the grit that's creating the swirl marks you're trying to prevent. It's the most invisible damage in car care, and it's entirely caused by not being able to see your tools. Japanese detailing philosophy centers on visual confirmation at every step. You should be able to see the condition of every tool you're using in real time. Buy a pack of white microfiber cloths for $10. The swirl marks stop appearing, and the ones already there stop multiplying. Secret 1. The warm water method. This is the simplest thing on this entire list, and the one almost no one follows. You're washing your car and mixing your cleaning solutions with cold water straight from the tap or hose, and it's costing you cleaning power on every single panel. Here's what Japanese detailers treat as non-negotiable. Use warm water for every stage of cleaning. Warm wash water, warm rinse water, and warm water for mixing any solution you apply to your car. Bring it out in a bucket from indoors if you have to. The temperature difference is that important. Warm water fundamentally changes the chemistry of cleaning. Dirt, grease, and road film are lipid-based compounds that become fluid and release from surfaces at elevated temperatures. Cold water causes them to contract and grip harder. You're working twice as hard with cold water for half the result. Every cleaning product you buy performs better in warm water because the molecules are more active and dissolve bonded grime faster. Professional detailers always use warm water in controlled environments. They count on you using a cold garden hose at home because it guarantees you'll never match the results they get, and you'll keep paying them. A bucket of warm water from your kitchen tap is the single biggest upgrade you can make to your entire car cleaning routine, and it costs absolutely nothing. So there you have it. 15 Japanese cleaning secrets that professional detailers have been quietly keeping to themselves. The common thread through all of them is simple. Prevention beats correction. Clean tools matter more than expensive products, and consistency beats the occasional big effort every single time. How many of these were you already using? Drop a comment and let me know which one changed how you think about cleaning your car. And if this just gave you the knowledge to outclean any detailer on your block, hit subscribe. We keep pulling back the curtain on the tricks the pros use but never share. Your car deserves better.